Welcome to day 6 of the Self-Love Meditation Challenge. Loving yourself is loving your body. Your body that carries you gracefully through life is the expression of love itself. To help you fully embrace your body, accept it, love it, heal it, we'll practice the inner smile energy to cleanse and reconnect with your physical body. Now visualize yourself watching a sunset or a sunrise with a golden light on the horizon. Feel this golden light on your face, and this light shining on your beautiful face lifts the corners of your mouth ever so slightly and creates a smiling energy between your eyes. The smiling energy on your face sends a message to raise the vibration in your body, to uplift, to elevate your internal state of being. When you smile, there's a message in the body to rebalance, to cultivate health, vitality, and inner joy. Feel this golden light from the horizon shining on your face, like your personal connection to the universe, your personal energy source connecting to you and filling you up with more energy and vitality. Now take a deep breath in and draw the energy into your face. Golden light soaking into every single cell of your face and of your body. Your own personal connection to the universe filling you up as you receive and draw it in. Draw this energy into your face, draw it into your brain, and calm and relax your mind. Now inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth and feel your upper area full of light, full of wisdom and clarity. Now let this smiling light go from the back of your head and move down through your spine. Feel it washing down all the way to the spine so that all the nerves are vibrating with this higher frequency, fully resonating with your inner potential. Breathe in this golden light that spreads love, acceptance all around your body. As you go deeper into the meditation, keep this thought in your mind. I smile with every single cell of my body. I smile with every single cell of my body. I smile with every single cell of my body. As you slowly come back to the room, the smiling energy in your body released love, compassion, kindness that are naturally and freely flowing through your body right now. As you get ready for your day, let the entire body be filled with the smiling energy. Taking a deep breath in and fill yourself up with a shining, beautiful, healing, smiling energy. Feel yourself radiant, smiling with the universe. Whenever you're ready, open your eyes.